I'm Alupo. I came from Serere district, Kagwara Town Council, Aquangalet Ward, Aquangalet Cell. Before I joined the Gudie farm, I was doing a salon. I was operating a salon of plaiting hair. I got to know about Gudie farm one day when I was at the center, just passing by. Then my parish chief saw me, then he called me. He asked me that, Lucy, did you reach senior 4? I said yes. That there is a program which has picked our parish to be one of the beneficiaries here in Serere district. And that farm is called Gudie farm. They want some girls, they want 6 girls to go and study on different industries. There is a Feedmill, there is a piggery, then there is the aquaculture, there is a poultry, there is value addition and condiment. So for me, I asked him, have you understood about any of those? Then he told me, just told me that for me, I'm preferring you go and do Feedmill, because for us here, at least people buy, like these people who sell feeds, they just buy them from barley. Now if you go there and you learn how to make them, at least you can make money. I'm under Feedmill, but I've seen different types of machines. I've seen a hammer mill. I've again seen this mixture. There is for mixing. I've seen there is a machine for making feeds for fish. I've learned to be social. I've learned to be friendly and to help one another. Again, they have taught us how to be good to others, how to be friendly, how to be creative as women. Sometimes they even teach us how to dance during our leisure. The place is very good. Even the climate is okay. I've decided in my heart that when I go back, because it is very difficult for you to move from home to home telling those women what you want to tell them. I will start going to different churches in our parish to tell them whoever wants to learn how to make feeds should follow me where I will tell them. I'm really very happy. I'm so much happy because I'd never crossed this side of Kampala. It is even my first time to reach this side. Even though I have not moved out, but I had never seen this place. And I've seen that this place is different from ours there. Even the soils you have here, it is different from ours. Though we come from the landing site, but it is not the same. Even the types of food you people have here, I've eaten some food which I had never eaten. So I'm really happy.